पेज नंबर 14. याच्या आधी आपण टेबल नंबर 14.1 दॅट इज मेटल्स अँड देअर वर्क फंक्शन हे पाहिलेलं आहे. नाव क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. एक्सप्लेन आइन्स्टाईन्स पोस्टुलेट ऑफ क्वांटायझेशन ऑफ एनर्जी अँड द photoelectric equation. See here, Planck's hypothesis of energy quantization to explain the black body radiation was further derived by Einstein in 1905 to all types of electromagnetic radiation. Einstein proposed that under certain conditions, light behaves as if it was a particle and its energy released or absorbed in bundles or quanta. Einstein named the quantum of energy of light as photon with energy E is equal to h nu, where nu is frequency of incident light and h is Planck's constant, which was used by Planck in his model to explain black body radiation, and h is equal to h म्हणजे Planck's constant, h is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 14 joule dot second. Page number 15. E is equal to h into nu, equation number 1. Equation 1 is a relation between a particle like property energy E and a wave like property frequency nu. Equation 1 is called as Einstein's relation. Einstein's relation equation 1 holds good for the entire electromagnetic spectrum, that is energy is of electromagnetic radiation is directly proportional to frequency and is inversely proportional to wavelength. Since nu is equal to c upon lambda, nu म्हणजे काय frequency, c velocity and lambda wavelength. Hence the high frequency radiation means high energy radiation. Opposite to this, short wavelength radiation means high energy radiation. Question number 11. Explain the observations or characteristics of the Einstein's hypothesis of existence of a photon. Or दुसऱ्या प्रकारे क्वेश्चन आहे, एक्सप्लेन द ऑब्झर्वेशन्स और द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ आइन्स्टाईन्स photoelectric equation. See here, Einstein's photoelectric equation is Ke maximum is equal to h nu minus phi 0. Equation number 1, where Ke max is equal to maximum kinetic energy, h is equal to Planck's constant, nu is equal to frequency of incident radiation, and phi 0 is equal to photoelectric work function. Now page number 16. Number 1, that is observation number 1. According to Einstein, when a photon of ultraviolet radiation is incident on metal surface and collides with electron, it gives all of its energy h nu to electron. The energy is gained by the electron and the photon no longer exists. If phi 0 is equal to work function of material of the emitter plate, then electrons will be emitted only if h nu is greater than or equal to phi 0. Thus, a minimum or threshold frequency required to eject electrons from metal surface is nu 0 is equal to phi 0 divided by h. If nu is less than nu 0, then however larger intensity of incident radiation, there is no liberation of an electron. If nu is greater than nu 0, the energy will always be sufficient to eject an electron. However small incident intensity is, याचा अर्थ काय होतो, फक्त न्यू हा न्यू झिरोपेक्षा म्हणजे न्यू झिरो ही थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रिक्वेन्सी न्यू झिरोपेक्षा मोठा असेल तरच फक्त इजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होऊ शकते. 2. Number 2. The exchange of energy between the photon and electron is instantaneous. Hence, there is no time lag between the incidence of light and emission of electrons. म्हणजे काय, ही प्रोसेस जी आहे ती इन्स्टंटेनियस आहे, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये कोणताही ड्युरेशन नाही. म्हणजेच इन्सिडंट ऑफ लाईट झाल्यानंतर लगेचच इमिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स घडून येते. When the incident radiation is stopped, the photo emission stops immediately. Page number 17, observation number 3. According to Einstein, if intensity of incident radiation for a given wavelength is increased, there will be increase in the number of energy quanta, that is photons, incident on unit area in unit time, the energy of each quantum being the same. That is, this energy is E is equal to h into nu is equal to h into c divided by lambda. Now see, larger intensity of radiation will cause emission of more number of electrons from the surface if nu is greater than nu zero, and hence the current will be larger. Here, oppositely, lower intensity causes less number of incident photons and hence less number of ejected electrons, and so lower current is present. Now see here, observation number 4. Electrons are emitted from metal surface if the collector is at higher potential than emitter. Then the electric field will accelerate electrons towards the collector. Higher is the accelerating potential, more will be number of electrons reaching the collector. Hence, the photocurrent I increases with the accelerating potential. That is, याच्यावरून काय दिसून येतं, फोटोकरंट हा ॲक्सिलेटिंग पोटेन्शियल वाढले असता फोटोकरंटसुद्धा वाढतो इनिशियली. Since the intensity of incident radiation determines the number of photons incident on the metal surface on unit area in unit time, it determines the maximum number of electrons that can be emitted by the incident radiation. अशा प्रकारे इंटेन्सिटी ऑफ इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशन वाढले असता नंबर ऑफ फोटॉन्स वाढतात. त्यानंतर हे त्याच्याद्वारे कशाची व्हॅल्यू काढली जाते, तर मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्ससुद्धा हे काउंट करता येतात आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू डिटरमाइन होते.